Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Doug here. So for some of you who know, we are moving to Ohio, and it's come time to downsize our fleet, our stable. We've got 4 cars, a boat, side by side. We got too much stuff that we're gonna have to move. So it has come point in time where we are going to be selling some of the vehicles, starting with this one, the Roush. It's a 2018 Roush Rs2 Stage 2 Mustang. Currently has 16,000 miles on it. It's the A10 automatic, runs flawlessly, it runs strong. I've not had any issues with it. I have all the service and all the maintenance records and everything for it. So original window sticker and everything. So I'm gonna do a little walk around, show you what it has, and kind of give you a description of what it's like. Phenomenal car. Sorry to see it go, but it's just we have too much to move. So all right, let's get started with the walk around. So there it is, 2018 Roush Stage 2. It has the Quicksilver Roush wheels. I'm gonna go over the Roush standard options first. Quicksilver Roush wheels, none of them are curb rashed. They has the Extreme Contact Sport tires, Continental, on them. Grip the road really well. As you can see, I have the Brembo brake kit. That's standard with the Performance Package 2, or correction, Performance Package 1, which is what this car is, what it started out as before Roush touched it. You see the badges there. This does have the stalker hood. I'll talk about that in a minute, but let's go over the Roush standard options. It's got the flat black stripe with the silver pinstripe on the side. I added the RS2 side decals on it from the 2015 to 17. Again, there's the back wheel. You can see none of it's curb rashed. This is an option from Roush. This car was optioned with the quarter scoops. It's got the spoiler, Roush spoiler on the back. I do have the Diode Dynamics LED rear side marker lights. The flag you see there is a stock thing from Roush. This car, I added the splash guards on the side for the rear and for the front. You can see up there. The car is phenomenal. Absolutely no issues with it at all. Never had an issue with it. You see the quad exhaust. This exhaust is not only quad exhaust, it's not the active exhaust, but it is clear all the way through. So no baffles in this exhaust whatsoever. I'll start it up here in a minute so you can hear it. Got the Roush rear quarter panel, or rear trunk panel, which is stock. Again, I'll show you this wheel. So you can see, absolutely phenomenal. No curb rash whatsoever on any of this. This car is ceramic coated. It was ceramic coated a couple years ago. Probably needs to be done again. Do have a little scratch here. You can maybe see right here. Barely see it, but there is a little bit of a scratch that can probably be wet sanded and buffed out. I don't know what happened. Parking lot, obviously. Somebody didn't have respect for the car. Again, I'll show you that wheel. No curb rash anywhere. Front grille. All right, let's go to the interior and then I'll pop the hood so you can check it out. We do have 2 keys for this car. The seats are stock GT seats. The pinstriping that you see there, the thread has been dyed red. Stock A10, however, I did the White Madness Garage shifter knob with the manual boot, so there is no park reverse neutral, anything like that. That is going to be up here in the dash. This does have the Sync 3 with the it does have navigation, does have Apple CarPlay. You can see the oil and the vacuum pump gauges there. No issues in the interior anywhere. The back seats are just stock standard back seats. I don't have a lot of interior modifications that I've done to this. The cool thing with this car is what Roush did was they did the reverse. Kind of see there. The reverse is the Roush R, you can see. But I'll show you. The steering wheel's turned, I'm sorry. I'll show you there. It is 15,000 875 miles on that. That's not the tripometer, that's the actual mileage for the vehicle. But there it is there. No, like I said, this has got Apple CarPlay and stuff in here. It's flashing on the screen because it's LED. It's nothing wrong with the screen itself. But it's got the different, it does have navigation. I'll show you here. Navigation as well. Everything works great in here, no issues whatsoever I've had in here. So I added the Stage 2 badge here as well. So yeah. All right, so let's pop the hood and let you check that out. I do have the stock hood for this vehicle as well. So that can be sold separately, or if you like the stock hood better than this hood, I can sell this one separately. So there's the engine bay. Taken very well care of. It's very, very clean. It's got the Moroso aluminum radiator reservoir, UPR Catch-Can here. Obviously the painted to match engine cover, the RS2 tower, shock tower brace. It does have the Roush cold air intake, and does not, I do have the lid for it if you want the lid, but I took the lid off because this is a functional ram air hood, you can see here. So it shoves air directly into the air filter from here, up in there. You can see out there, somewhere in there. It's out there. Yep. So it shoves it in there and goes right into the air filter. This is an outerwear to prevent water. I've never had any issue. I've driven I have driven this car in rain, yes, and I've driven it with this on. There's no issues. So there it is, guys. So if you're seriously interested in it, if you want to shoot me an offer, please do. Don't really have a price on it yet. I'm going to take it to the dealer and see what they'll give me. Probably not enough, obviously. But there it is. Great car. It rides phenomenal. Oh, things I didn't show you underneath. It does have the front and rear sway bars from Steeda. Also the Steeda IRS braces and white mat. You probably can't see much in there. I'll just throw it up on the screen so you guys can see the pictures of it. But it does have the jacking rails. It has the rear sway bar, front sway bar, adjustable, and it has the IRS braces. Has the white line IRS bushings as well. Basically stop the hop kit, basically from two different companies, but I built it together. So yeah, so if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Here's the Roush signified serial number. Like I said, no issues with this car whatsoever. I've not changed anything on the exhaust from stock. No headers, no mid pipe, nothing like that. No tune, never been tuned. No issues. Tires are in really good condition. A little dirty, but they're in really good condition. Like I said, only 16,000 miles on them, so they're good. Brakes are nice. The car's very, very tight. Rides very well, drives very well. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.